Hi, I'm Ted Yapo, and this is my entry into the Coin Cell Challenge on Hackaday.com. I have here a cordless screwdriver that runs off AA batteries and a set of nickel-cadmium rechargeable batteries that I've been charging for about 2 days from a CR2477 coin cell. And today I'm going to see how many screws I can drive just using the energy that I've extracted from that coin cell. I have a number of pilot holes I've drilled here in this coin cell meter. On a piece of 2x4 board I've drilled pilot holes with a 1/16 inch drill bit. There's a knot in this board, on this in this part of the board, that I actually broke a drill bit in, so I've marked those off so I won't try to put screws in there. So I can put the batteries in the drill, if I can get them out of the charger. Insert the nickel-cadmium rechargeable batteries. These batteries have previously been stored shorted, so I know there's no charge left over from previous lifetime. Now the drill or screwdriver should just work, and I should be able to drive some screws. So, one, it's not looking good, folks. If I give it a minute to rest. I'm going to count it as 2. Give it a little while. I think that might be it. I'll try one more, if I give it a few more seconds rest. Oh! Surprising! I think it's just that it can't produce enough torque to really drive them. I should have used shorter screws. Now let me see how many I can get started with the thing, even if I can't drive them all the way. Well, soon I won't even be able to get them started. But I think the conclusion is there's just not that much energy extracted from the coin cell into the NiCads. That one's just barely in there. Well, I'm going to call it dead at this point. So 19 screws, kinda, is all I could do.